Hello, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome po sa another video testing. Shout out po kay Sir Justin ng Pangasinan, sir. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit po, the Double Bell M1911 gas blowback airsoft pistol na may kasama na po siyang pop dyno, green gas, standard power, and also comes with the 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na airsoft BBs. Ayan. So, si Double Bell po, may kasama na siyang hard case. So, this is the hard case. Yan. Code number 723. Sana natin. Ayan. Ito po yung unit. And then, may kasama siyang extra loading nozzle. Tapos, cleaning rod. Yan po. This is full metal. 1911. Ayan. Metal slide. Metal frame. Okay, metal magazine, double stock. Yan. Meron siyang manual safety. And also the beaver tail safety. Yan. So, working po. Yung 1911 by Double Bell gas blowback airsoft pistol. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng gas and BBs para matest natin kung ilang EPS po ito. Sa paglalagay po sir ng gas, inverted position po. Pag ganyan po, then press. Yan. 3 to 5 seconds po ang paglalagay ng gas. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po itong unit. Okay, then lagay lang tayo ng bala. Ilang muna natin ng mga 4. Okay, Sir Justin, sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Ayan. Okay, 4 shots. Nilagyan na natin siya ng gas. Again, this is the 1911 Classic or the M1911 by Double Bell. Ayan. Airsoft gas blowback pistol. Ayan. Stay natin. Gawin lang chrono. Okay, connect lang natin sa phone. Okay, Sir Justin ng Pangasinan. Okay, testing. Firing. 328.9. 326.3. 324.7. and 325.3. Yan. And then, nag-open slide na po siya. Open slide. Release yung magazine muna, sir. Tapos, alalayan nyo lang yung slide. Hammer down. Okay. So, testing pa tayo. Okay pa tayo ng BBs. Okay. Okay, testing. Sir Justin, M1911 by Double Bell Classic gas blowback airsoft pistol. Testing. Firing. Okay. Release the magazine. Alalay lang sa slide. Hammer down. Okay. Sir Justin, okay na po ang inyong unit for shipping. 1911 M1911 by Double Bell gas blowback airsoft pistol. Kung may question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, or sa mga interested po, ilalagay ko po yung details sa description box. Okay? Check nyo na lang po. Thank you and have a nice day.